Hello, just me and my bowl of cherries. About to take a shower for the night, and I was thinking everyone always shares their skincare routine on here, and I don't think I ever have, so I'm gonna do that today. By the way, this is a really good batch of cherries. I ate the whole bag today. Okay, so my favorite face wash of all time is this gal right here, okay? But they don't make this anymore. They don't make this. They stopped making it last year, I think. This is actually an old bottle that I found in a bag, so I'm unfortunately not going to use this. However, they replaced it with this one. This one, not as good as this one. Okay, still good though. Still love her, still use her. This one I find at my Target. However, and this is where things might get confusing, okay? Because this girl entered the chat. This is Walmart's face wash. However, it's very similar to this one, okay? So it's this one, Walmart's, is similar to the OG of the one that I like. Now, is this making sense? So these are my two, I would say, like, main face washes. I wash my face when I shower. So sometimes I shower in mornings, but realistically, I'm showering once a day these days, okay? I'm showering at night before bed, so I'll wash my face once a day. So mostly I will be using these two. However, there are a few other face washes that I love. I don't have any of them on hand right now. So I'll just tell you, because it just kind of depends on like the time of year and what my skin is looking like. So there's one by CeraVe. It's a clear bottle, and it's got a light blue like front. I think it's just like their original face wash. That one's really good if I'm having any blemishes or anything. I use that one before my wedding because I had a ton of breakouts right before my wedding. So that one is lovely if my skin's acting up. There is one, I believe, by Clean and Clear. It's the orange morning one. It smells like citrus. That one, I will also like alternate, put it into the routine. And then the last one that I really like, it's by Neutrogena. I don't know what kind it is. I don't know the name of it. However, I use it in the winter times because it's very, very gentle on my skin. I just know it's kind of like a rectangular bottle and it's got like the little like pump. Yeah, so those are like the 5 that I sort of alternate through. Although I guess this one not anymore. So actually, yeah, still the 5. So this one from Walmart, this one from Target, and then the orange one, the Neutrogena one, and the CeraVe. And all these you can get at Walmart, Target, and Ulta sells them too. And yeah, that's my cool skincare routine. I wish it was cooler, but it's just face wash. Listen, if it's not broken, don't fix it. All right, I will talk to you guys later. I'm probably gonna head to bed soon. I've been MIA today just because Grayson had his 4-month appointment and he did not feel good the rest of the day. So I've been obviously spending time with him all day. So I will chat with you guys later, tomorrow. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Okay, you guys thought this video was over. I did too until I was putting those back under my kitchen sink, my bathroom sink. Look what I found. So this is the orange one I was talking about. This is Target's version of it. So this is Up and Up, so it's Target's brand. But it's like that citrusy one. So this one, again, is one of the 5 that I will put into the rotation. So I just figured I would show y'all because, yeah. All right, now I'm going. Happy Friday.